What's up? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to install the 5-inch exhaust tips, the Carven exhaust. So we'll do that, and I'm doing a rear diffuser while I'm at it. So I'll show you guys those exhaust tips installed right now. Alright, so what you're going to need, you're just going to need a puller right here to pull out these plugs. So this is just for the rear diffuser. 7mm socket to loosen the rear diffuser, 13mm for the exhaust tips. So this video is mainly for the exhaust tips is what I'm showing you guys, but you guys will see me probably do both. So you take your 13mm, just loosen the exhaust tip, the clamps. So the exhaust tip is out. You might want to just get a hammer. I just use the regular standard hammer and just tap on it, and literally it loosened it right out. So this goes right into this hole, and the clamp itself holds it. So this is your Carven exhaust tip. So when you install these, you might want that sticker. So when you install these, you want to just make sure you get the adjustment properly, because I know someone that adjusted theirs wrong, and honestly it just got scratched up at the top. It got ruined. So when you put it back in, you just want to make sure you're giving it a proper adjustment. So you want to just tighten it up just a tad bit, right? Just so you have some sort of tension, but you want to leave some sort of like adjustment, wiggle space, you know what I'm saying? So you don't want to tighten it fully down there. Well, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. Alright guys, so I got the diffuser on, I got the muffler, the exhaust tips on. One thing I want to say is just make sure you adjust the tips right, man, so they're pretty much centered and they look, correct. And the wording is readable. You can see it right there. There's a little bit of space. The exhaust tips are on. So it's a simple, easy job. And as you can see, the rear diffuser's on also that I was doing. So the exhaust tips done, beautiful. These things are definitely worth the money. So I say Carven exhaust tips, yes, it's a go. Get them. Look at that. Beautiful, man. Alright, so that's it for this video, man. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.